Hey y'all, this is Wendy from Around My Family Table. My family and I did a recent 8-day cruise to Haiti, Aruba, and Curacao on the Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas. This is a quick peek at our room that all four of us slept in for 8 days. And I thought I would pop on here and show you what I ate on a mostly ketovore diet. So day one, I had a shrimp cocktail. They brought me two. Yes, I bring my salt container everywhere I go. Most of my breakfasts were at the buffet. I had bacon, sausage, scrambled eggs, and a fried egg. And then for lunch, I had pork, chicken, cheese, pico, a little sour cream, and my carnivore crisp that I brought from home, like nachos. For dinner, I had steak and salmon with a garlic herb butter. It was delicious with a little dessert that I brought from home. I brought these Atkins caramel nut bars, delicious, and decaf coffee. It was so good and perfect ending to that meal. Here we are pulling into Haiti. It is such a beautiful country. We actually ended up going ocean kayaking, and my husband and daughter flipped out of their kayak. Here's our lunch. It was barbecue. And then we went back onto the ship for dinner. This is us walking down the big pier to our ship. And dinner was fun. They deconstructed some baby shrimp cocktail and just gave me a giant pile of baby shrimp and cocktail sauce. That was fun. Again, a steak with garlic butter and then a pork chop with a little bit of cheese. For breakfast, same thing again, a couple fried eggs, bacon, sausage. It's getting kind of repetitive, but I really like bacon, so it worked. We went snooba-ing, and then we had another barbecue. This was hamburgers with nacho cheese sauce. And yeah, the meals, they're interesting. I mostly ate mix and match versions of the same thing for the whole week. It's not pretty, but it tasted good, so that's great. And then I had some shrimp scampi. It was basically just grilled shrimp with garlic butter again, and then a giant piece of chicken. Lunch was from the buffet. I just grabbed some hot dogs and another piece of chicken, a couple pickles. Again, steak, garlic sauce, and lobster tail. That was their big special. I finally did break down and order a cold brew with heavy whipping cream on the ship. And then for dinner that night, we had French onion soup. I had it without the bread. It was delicious. Followed up with a piece of salmon and another steak and some chimichurri sauce, more garlic butter. Not gonna lie, I struggled a little. Most of the food was very lean and had a lot of ingredients that I don't eat. Did I starve? No. Was I satisfied after meals? No. It was missing a lot of fat, but I didn't gain weight, I didn't get sick, and so that's a win.